Welcome to Concept2Customers Tools and Technology, where we show you resources that are helpful to you as an inventor. Make your ideas a reality. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 best practices for using Google search so you can see the power of finding information quickly. So after you have your epiphany about a great new product or idea, you'll need to do some research to find out, has it already been made or thought of? If so, is it the same design I was considering? This is where Google Search can help make your life a whole lot easier. Google is the most widely used internet search engine available. They receive several 100 million queries each day. That's a lot of queries. So our top 10 best practices we're going to go over today: the basic search, advanced search, I'm feeling lucky, Wonder Wheel, timeline, images, forums, reviews, alerts, and the toolbar. So first we're going to start with the basic search. So we're going to go to google.com. So go ahead and open up a web browser and go to www.google.com. And we're going to type in some keywords to search for what we want to search for on Google search. Okay, I've got my browser up now. I've got my Google search and I'm going to type in cup holder. Maybe I've designed a new style of cup holder. Once I've typed that in, I'm going to click Google search. And it's going to search for me. Now this search results are going to show me sponsored links. So everything on the right hand side and sometimes on the top there are sponsored links, and these are paid advertisements, so people pay to be on these sponsored links. And then next it's going to be your relevant links, so anything that's relevant to what you were searching for. Okay, so here we found about 4 million results for the word cup holder, so we probably want to narrow that down just a little bit. So now we're going to go to our advanced search. So we're going to go back to google.com to our advanced search. So let's go right back to Google. We're going to type in, I'm sorry, no, we're not going to type in, we're going to just click on the advanced search. So click advanced search there. And now we're going to type in anything that we want to narrow our search down. So maybe we want a mount for our cup holder, and it could be plastic or metal. Something I saw on the page when we had over 4 million hits was the word koozie. I do not want that. So notice as we type in these advanced search words, it's creating our syntax for our actual search there. So now let's click on the advanced search. And from 4 million, we've gone now down to 24,200. So quite a good jump there to narrow down our search. All right. So let's talk about the I'm feeling lucky. So we're going to go back to google.com, type in our keywords, and this time we're going to click I'm feeling lucky. So let's go back to the main Google page. I'm going to type in cup holder, and then I'm going to this time click I'm feeling lucky. Now what I'm feeling lucky allows you to do is to skip the results pages, so you don't have to see all the results. It's going to go to the very first one for the first time. So it assumes that you're feeling lucky, and therefore the first search result is what you were looking for. And so this took us right to Wikipedia to define the word cup holder. So that may be some good information for us. If we were feeling lucky, maybe that worked for us. All right. Let's go to the Wonder Wheel. We're going to go back to google.com, type in our search words. Now this time we're going to go show options. So under this Google logo, it's show options. And then on the bottom left, you'll see Wonder Wheel. So click on that. Okay, now this is showing you a map with all the categories for this keyword search. So under cup holder, I have things like drink holder, auto cup holder, a cup holder on a boat, marine cup holder, and so on. And then I can click down further. Again, I'm narrowing my search. I've got 4 million. I clicked on drink holder. Now I'm down to 807. And maybe want a suction cup holder. I'm going to go down to now 24,000 and so on. So I can go backwards to my other node and click something else. but pretty cool little way to narrow down your search as well if you're not really sure what to call your item or just want to see what other categories are out there. All right, so let's go now to the timeline. So let's click on timeline. So going back to our Google page here, and we can stay where we are. We can just click on timeline. And this is going to show us all of the articles associated with our keyword search based on a timeline. So maybe I want to go see the most recent articles. So I could click on the 2000 to 2009. Then I could click on 2009. And then maybe, oh, we had a kind of a spike here in January, so maybe we want to see all the January 2009 articles. And then it's going to show us everything that says, let's see, what's our keyword? Drink holder for January of 2009. So pretty neat stuff there. All right, so next we're going to see the images. So this is a pretty neat feature. If I wanted to just see all of the images, instead of clicking into each individual link, I can click on images from the page here on the left hand side, and it's going to show me the images of all these cup holders. So I can now visually see, hey, is there something out there that I was that was even close to what I was designing? So that's pretty neat stuff there. All right, next is the forums. So if we want to see any discussion forums on our keyword search, we could just click on the word forums here on the left hand side, and then we can read all about the different forums that are going on. Anybody discussing drink holders out there, we can see what they're saying. It's a pretty nice tool there. Now this one, reviews, to me this is going to be a wonderful tool for you as an inventor to see what the public does and does not like about existing products. So you can revise the product that you have in mind according to what people are saying they do and don't like. So just click on reviews on the left hand side here, and it's going to show you all the reviews about the products that are on the market now. Really neat stuff there. Okay, next is our alerts. So if we want to get automatic notification about new information that's added to our keywords, we're going to go to alerts. So we're going to find that by going to the word more at the top and then go down to even more. Now these are all the products that Google has. So we're going to click on the alerts at the top left, and then maybe we type in cup holder. We want a comprehensive as it happens, and then we're going to deliver it to Ron. So we can create our alert there. So now we automatically are notified about any changes on the internet. And then finally we have the toolbar. So if we're going to go to toolbar.google.com, and what we're going to do is look at the toolbar. So I've already got it installed here so you can see what it does. But basically what you can do is from any web page you're on, you can automatically go into a Google search. So go to toolbar.google.com and follow the prompts to install the toolbar. And then after you have installed it, then any page you're on, you can type in your search, click enter there, and then it's going to automatically go to my Google search no matter where I am. I also have some other neat tools like highlighting, so it'll highlight everything on the page with my keywords and so on. All right, so for more information, you can go to on Google search engine. You can go to wikipedia.org, type in Google search, and read all about that. Google also has more than 22 special features. They have things like weather forecast, time zones, and so on. So you can go to google.com and go to that more, even more. Remember all those products we saw? Now visit us at Concept2Customers.com, where we broadcast live on Fridays from 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And here's to making your ideas a reality.